Included with your SoClean is the AC power adapter, removable hose slot plug, installed SoClean check valve with injection fitting and tubing, installed SoClean cartridge filter, 1.5-ounce bottle of SoClean neutralizing pre-wash. Note: the SoClean neutralizing pre-wash is only included for orders purchased in the USA. The check valve prevents water in the CPAP humidifier reservoir from backing up into the SoClean machine. If at any time water can be seen in the clear tube, replace the check valve assembly immediately. This part should be replaced every 6 months or when the SoClean display shows the Order Filter Kit message. The cartridge filter converts activated oxygen, also known as ozone, back into normal oxygen. Replace every 6 months or when the SoClean display shows the Order Filter Kit message. If purchased in the USA, a neutralizing pre-wash is included. The neutralizing pre-wash is a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic cleaning solution that neutralizes pre-existing odors from detergents and removes any residue from the manufacturing process that could react with activated oxygen, also known as ozone. Use the pre-wash whenever you hand wash your CPAP equipment. Alternatively,